What just happened?
We literally were just trying to make this sick video of me jumping out of the brush. Next thing you know, we turn around, the ocean just comes up, sweeps the tripod right up, and the rest is history. Welcome to Rockaway!
Good morning from Rockaway, where the mountains meet the ocean. 6 a.m. bright and early, getting ready to go see the sunrise and see what this town has to offer us.
Welcome to the Rockaway Railroad,
Made in 1912.
home of the...
Big Daddy train. Named after me, I like to think.
Now, I wouldn't recommend hanging out and playing on railroad tracks, but it's good for a nice morning walk or jog.
It connects all the bordering cities, little towns around here, giving it an amazing culture that helps us relate to the town of Rockaway.
Beware of trains.
Oh, shit.
Train! Oh, I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
Let's go eat.
Daddy's gotta eat.
Big Daddy's got to get some food in him.
Daddy's gotta eat! So, speaking on the railroad culture that we have here at Rockaway, there's Big Daddy himself right there. That's it. That's Big Daddy. That's it. Breakfast. You know what'd be even better? Eating outside. That's better. I notice one of my favorite qualities about Rockaway is, in fact, there's actually not a lot of rocks on the beach. There's a lot of wood. Man. Let's call it Woodaway Beach.
My rock!
So, reached another destination here at Rockaway. We have the Old Growth Cedar Reserve. So I guess there's some pretty cool trees that we're gonna check out, pretty big ones. Here's some information. We found a huge tree. This is the Rockaway Big Tree. Approximately stands 145 feet tall and is 49 feet wide. Dude, I would straight up kill for a corn dog right now though, like low key, like Pronto Pups looks pretty fire. Pronto Pups is never open, I don't get it. Get out there and do something. Absorb your environments. Find the diamond in the rough, hole in the wall places, anything. Just make it happen.